UST versus UST.
Oo,
sa mga bida rito.
yeah.
No? Ortiz and Di Maculangan sa Air Force. Tapos Tabaquero at saka itong si... Well, Tabaquero's not getting the start today. So it's going to be Maizo and Tabaquero later on. As Giselle C gets us going dito sa ating first set. Di Maculangan, dinaan sa lakas ng katawan.
So that joust won by Rhea Di Maculangan. First point goes to the Air Force.
So Rhea Di Maculangan, na underestimated talaga yung upper body strength nito si Rhea. No?
But again, this is another advantage that Air Force has, you know, having a tall setter dito kay Rhea Di Maculangan.
What a serve from Di Maculangan. See, good luck there coming from Ortiz. Ortiz!
Oh, that is a net violation error. Kitang-kita.
Nanggigil si Micah Ortiz that time. We are tied at 1. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Buenas Eulalio out of FEU, serving now para sa Cagayan Valley.
Good serve.
Caballejo, and yan, tatlong taga-UST kagad nakahawak ng bola. Caballejo now sending it to Cases, off the block. Dug up by C. Maizo lifts it up for Vargas. Great block by Micah Ortiz. So Ortiz now makes it 2-1. Ano talaga yung timing dito ni Micah Ortiz? Yeah, again, sinong karelyebo niya dyan? Yeah, you do have Lisa De Ramos, you do have Neneng Tapik, pero Sandra De Los Santos, pag sumali sa kanila, yan medyo solid na yung lineup nila nun. Pineta with the reception, C, setting it up to Maizo, and to Maizo, dinaan sa experience.
That's right. Simple lang. Kitang-kita na yung kamay, tinapik lang niya yung bola, and that's an easy point there for Cagayan.
So again, kapaan po nangyayari dito, the exchanging jabs sa ating first round. Ito magkabilang kumpanan. Here is Rosemary Vargas with that heavily bandaged right knee. Hanggang ngayon, injured pa rin yan. Nilalaro lang niya. Here's Cases. C and Maizo nagbanggaan. So, putos yan para dito sa Air Force. 3-2 ang ating score. And Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B League. Joy Gazelle Cases. Nung nagsimula ako sa Shakey's B League, player na si Joy Gazelle Cases.
Player pa rin siya hanggang ngayon.
2007, manlalaro ng Letran. Ayaw yung pag-usapan yung nakaraan. Napalakas yung kanyang serve. Manlalaro ng Letran.
Yeah. But you know, she has always been, you know, the go-to person sa mga teams na nilaruan niya. In Letran, talagang she was really carrying the team eh.
Oo. Silang dalawa ni Bang Pantaleon actually in that team as Caballero will miss. So, 4-3. Ikita pa rin po dito sa pagsimula nitong ating first set. Here's Aiza Maizo.
Service good.
D-Mac now. Quick set to De Ramos. Pineda tracks it down. C. Inangat para kay Janine Marciano. Getting the start today in lieu of Angelita Baquero. Oh, great block by Pao Soriano. Pao Soriano, pag umiti, it's a rare case. Normal
kailangan makapture ang moment no? Pag umiti siya.
Kaya sa labas naman pagkakwentuhan mo na naman nakangiti.
Kumbaga talagang paglaro-laro. You know, serious talaga pagdating sa game.
Good serve again coming from Maizo.
Caballejo, cross court. Pineda was there. C, thinks it over.
Here's De Ramos now, setting up Caballejo once again. Pineda, C, yay! Nagpistulang Superman. Si Pao Soriano. Ang ganda siguro tignan sa replay niya, ano? Lilipad na ako. Hindi. Set 5-4 ang ating score because of the official ball of the Shakey's B League. Iya Yongko. Ay, hindi tinatawag siya Iyari. Iya daw.
Iya.
Super Iya 4 sa Twitter. Janine Marciano. Ang pangalan niya naman sa Twitter, Janine Marciano.
Para hindi na daw mahirapan maganap.
Ikaw wala ka pa si Twitter account.
Wala nga. Igawan mo ako.
Ilang taon mo na ako hinihingan sa gawa ka ng Twitter account. Nag-asawa na at lahat si Andre Mulyacanda. Wala
hindi
ka
mo pa kasi ako ginagawan eh.
Ba't gagawan ka? Ano password lalagay ko? Noel. De Ramos. Here's C. Oh, Eulalio. What, yan ang maganda dinadala rito ni Giselle C. Basta kasama niyo mga taga-FEU.
Yeah, the connection
no?
Exactly.
Early sub here. Lisa De Ramos will sit down. At yung reaction ni Iya Yongko. Na-capture natin yung reaction ni Iya Yongko. Kaya sabi ko nga, Neneng Tapik Caesar first action. Maganda nga rin si Iya Yongko. Dapat may ISO cam. Kesa maganda o mali ang nangyari sa kanya, ang gaganda na reaction. Here is Caballejo.
Good save there from Vargas.
Giselle C. sending it to Marciano. Power shot covered there by Joy Cases. Caballejo, palakasan ng palo. Ang nangyayari dito, Marciano, mahinang palo. Gustilo, Dimac. Binigay dito kay Caballejo. Pahina na ng pahina ang mga palo nila. Marciano, yan, malakas.
Oh,
Pero hindi
straight
kumawin.
into the net.
Oh.
Nakuha sa
Natawa.
tsaga, eh, no?
Natawa rin si Janine Marciano sa sarili niya that time. 7-5, Cagayan Valley. Sa panahong tagulan, iwasan ang dengue. Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin, proudly Philippine made. Mamaya, babasahin natin yung kagimbal-gimbal na version. Gusto ni Barry Pastor.
Kailangan kagimbal-gimbal.
Kagimbal-gimbal na version. Dapat may sound effects na
May sound effects dapat yung para
Yun.
mas convincing.
Kidlat at kulog. Kailangan mo sound din kidlat, kulog. Marciano sends us to the first technical timeout with Cagayan Valley up by 3. We'll be
Thursday.
Kung ito, reminder ng ni Coach Clarence sa kanyang mga players is to play and give their best in this game. Magandang floor defense at matibay na blockings naman ang game plan ng Cagayan Valley ayon sa head coach nila na si Coach Nes Pamilar. Pinaalala na lang ni Coach Nes na ang goal nila ngayon ay manalo kaya maipapanalo daw nila ang larong ito kung mauumpisahan nila at tatapusin din nila ito ng maayos. Noel and Ivy?
Well, yung opensa ng Cagayan Valley ang ginagamit nila ngayon. Another attack point. That time coming from Rosemary Vargas. Ito ngayon si Janine Marciano. Reception by Gustilo. Here is Caballejo. Andun pa rin si Bang Pineda. Here is a good attack again. Rosemary Vargas. Maagang kayod ang ginagawa rito ni Horse Marie Power.
That's right. So a lot of aggressiveness on the part nitong Cagayan pagdating sa atake. No hesitation na makikita sa lahat ng mga attackers.
Janine Marciano will serve once again. 10-5 times 2 na. Another good one there coming from Marciano. Judy Caballejo.
Oh, that's outside. Masyadong kabig.
11-5 at mga maagang timeout ang may tatawag dito ni Coach Aing. Maagang substitution. Mayan Pantino will see her first action. Papalitan muna ito si Judy Caballejo. Alam mo, tinitignan ko yung lineup. Itong Air Force, ang pinakamaraming player na may second name na Ann.
Baka
Diba?
requirement yun sa recruitment.
Hindi ko
Dapat
alam.
may an.
Pumasok na si Mayan Pantino. Judy Ann Caballejo. Ito naman si Mike Ortiz, walang Ann.
Walang an yan.
Walang Ann.
Akala ko lalagyan mo.
Wendy Ann Semana. Diba? Sino ba bang ano natin dyan? Si Mary Ann Balmaceda.
Yeah. Well, you have a
apat.
point there.
Diba?
Yeah.
Yung second name, hindi yung first name. Ito, isang May Ann. Yan. Pantino with the serve. C. Going to Vargas again.
Oh, that was a very strong hit from Rosemary Vargas.
Again, deceptive yung Rosemary Vargas. Nakala mo, mahina yung palo. Ay, sos.
Mas matindi pa kay Glenda.
Hagupit ni Glenda, nasa braso ni Horse Marie Power. Yan ang pangalan niya po sa Twitter. Micah Hertz.
Excellent hit there from Mike Ortiz.
Bawi ka agad. Ito si Micah Ortiz.
Yun yung sinasabi nating deadly attack. Itong running hit of Mike Ortiz.
And again, yung familiarity talaga between
Rhea
Di Maculangan and Micah Ortiz. Ano?
Right. Yung tipo nagkakaamuyan na kahit hindi nakikita, no? Alam na kung pumasok o hindi.
Taga-Espanya ka, taga-Espanya. Over reception. Oh, great dig there by Pineda. Pineda is there once again. Giselle C. Vargas again. Dug up by Pantino. Cases.
Oh, straight into the
Nagulat.
net.
Nasindak yata kay Eulalio at sa kay Maiso.
Although there was a little bit of hesitation on the part of Joy Cases before she went on for that hit.
13-7. Itong magandang laban. Bigayan talaga.
At simula pa lang to ng
Oo.
first set.
Eulalio.
Good serve.
Here's Dimac now. Going to Iayonko. Yan, palo talaga.
That goes off the block.
Palakasan talaga ng palo. That's what the volleyball fans like to see. It's for the fans. Sa panahon tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Lion, Tiger Katol, gamitin. From Philippine Made.
Asan yung sound effect?
Hindi ko alam. Sino yun? Walang may sumisingit dito. Dapat may... Ikaw, trabaho mo yun.
Ano yun? Yung side effect sa akin magagal. Ay, sound effects na sa akin. Sound effects.
Di ba? nadaanan natin. Hindi naman kulugan narinig natin sa araw.
Isabay mo na lang doon sa pagpalo para parang ano na rin eh. Yung lakas ng palo nito mga to parang kumulog at kumidlat na rin eh.
Good serve there coming from Cagayan Valley. And a timeout will be called here by the Philippine Air Force. Pito na po ang abante ng Rising Suns.
Buong warm-up natin, receive ginawa natin. Hindi tayo makareceive ng maayos. Diba? Pero maaari naman gawa natin ng paraan. Yun na, ganun na na-check. Gawa na natin ng paraan. Hindi na pwede yung kung anong magandang bola, yun ang atakihin natin. Kung anong gagawin natin. Kamali ka sa receive, dumipenta ka ng maayos. Bawian na, hindi pwede yung puro akin.
So naflatan na po, hindi maka-take off ang aeroplano nitong Air Force. But Vargas has been doing everything offensively para sa kanila. Ito, magandang serve na naman, nangamote doon si Pantino. One more look at that one. Again, very deceptive. Ano, kala mo mahina lang, pero grabe karga doon.
That's right. So, Rosemary Vargas, so far, hindi pa nabibigyan ng kasagutan itong Air Force.
Vargas patuloy pa rin nagsiserve para sa Cagayan Valley.
Another good serve.
Justilo gets to it this time. Di makulangan. Quick set to Topic.
Oh, that goes outside.
At tignan nyo naman po ang score natin. 16-8. Coach Roger, Luan Latigay, sino ba? Sasa de Banadera, Ruby de Leon. Alam mo, may estrangero silang kasama dyan eh. Di lang natin nakikita yung pangalan ng Jack Junela. Na ayaw mag-face of the day, ayaw magpalibre ng... ayaw mamigay ng pizza.
Ayaw mamigay ng pizza.
Ayun, saan yung Jack Junela na yun? Pero at least makikita natin, Team PLDT Home Telpad taking in the action. Caballero will return, so the Pantino experiment is over for now.
And here we can see that a very comfortable lead from Cagayan, and most of this comes from the errors of Air Force. It's very interesting enough to note that Air Force already has 7 errors at this point, and Cagayan, that's just the third so far.
Well, that's a service error para dito kay Vargas. So 9 serving 17. As Joy Gazelle Cases steps back to serve para naman dito sa Air Spikers. Once again, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Noel Zarate, kasama po si Ivy Remulla at si Judy Sarel. Coming to you from the arena. Giselle C. for Pao Soriano. Nice dig there by Iyonko.
Judy Caballero.
C.
Aiza Maiza with a little help from the net. Yonko now will set up Caballero.
Si Aiza tahimik pa today, Ivy. Ay!
Wala pa eh.
Lifting. Ano ba nauna? Lifting o crossing? Lifting.
Lifting muna. Yeah.
So Giselle C. Still no sign of Chi Said coming into this game. It's Giselle C. getting the start. And if it's Sun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky. So Cases, nababa sa 7 ang kalamangan ng Cagayan Valley. Pineda, late read. Soriano. Marciano.
That's outside. They're calling for a touch, but they're clear down. Malinaw.
17-11. Ito na yung mga errors naman ngayon ng Cagayan Valley.
So Air Force just 6 points behind. Joy Cases at the service line.
Joy Cases, produkto ng Lyceum University. Nagsimula sa Letran, lumipat ng Lyceum. Parang love na love niya Intramuros, ano? Hindi na umalis talaga doon. And finally, Aiza Maizo making some noise. Only the second point of the game. Para dito kay Aiza Maizo. Ito na yung hinahanap nating sub. Maizo will sit. Saet will return. Will check in for the first time. Joy Benito will also see her first action.
And we all know, of course, that the substitution is to be able to maximize. We have 3 spikers at the front line here for Cagayan.
And of course, Chi Saet, kargado rin yung kanya serve.
Yes.
Chi Saet, produkto ng De La Salle University. Nagkapanggaan ka agad doon sa reception between Cases and Gustilo. Here's Marciano.
Excellent recovery here from Cagayan.
Kita mo yung elevation doon ni Janine Marciano. Parang wala ka buwelo-buwelo yung vertical leap.
Yeah.
So, 19-11. Chi Saet. Present daw, present.
Nagro-roll call habang nagigame eh.
Nagkaabot pa kayo nito sa college?
Hindi na. But when I played for La Salle before, naglalaro pa siya.
Caballero. Saet lifts it up for nobody. Pineda has to get it across. Lima.
Combination play.
And there will be another violation kontra dito. Sino? Si Tapik ba natawagan?
They're saying that it touched the antenna.
At
The
tumama
ball
sa
touched the
antena.
antenna, right.
Tignan nga natin. Parang hindi yata. Caballejo. Hindi ko nakita.
Yeah, it's quite difficult to see from that angle dun sa camera. Pero mukhang hindi nga eh.
Wala eh. Parang hindi naman nasira reception eh. May shit, tinamaan yung antena mo, yung TV mo.
Pero
May gumagamit pa noon ha. May gumagamit pa noon. So the call stays 20-11. Patuloy pa rin ang serve dito ni Chisaet. Cases. Di makulangan. Iyayongko kinapos.
Kinapos. Nothing going right here for Air Force in this first set.
Sama ang gising. O yung mga kinakamusta rin natin, mga kaibigan natin nasa lanta ng Bagyong Glenda. Tutok lang po kayo dito sa GMA News TV para mabigyan namin kayo ng kasiyahan.
That's right.
Paghatid ng volleyball sa inyo. Oh, that's great body strength shown there by Gustilo. Marciano again.
Good recovery,
Third ball na to,
Caballejo.
Saet. Soriano.
Oh, good court sense from Pao Soriano. Simpleng drop shot lang eh.
Hindi.
Yung free zone, yung free
si Paulo. Oh, minsan lang yan. Pao Soriano makes it 22-11. Napako na po sa 11 points. 17-11, so it's 5 straight now.
Oh, Saet straight into the net.
22-12, and Wendy Semana will see her first action. Papalitan muna si Iyayongko. Semana, one of the league leaders for service aces off the bench. Pag pinapasok siya yung kanya reserve specialist.
Puntos agad.
Puntos.
Oo.
Good serve again. Saet. Combination. Marciano. Lagabay Semana. Caballejo. Saet. Benito.
Off the block. Semana to set Caballejo.
Palakasan ng palo. Gaganda ng depensa ng magkabilang kupunan.
Kweka lang. Pao Soriano. Nagulat.
Yun naman sabi mo eh.
Dun.
Pow! Tapos na. Si Pineda hindi nakalibero uniform. Pag siya pumalo, bang! So, pow!
That was a good play executed by Cagayan. Dito talagang quick. Sobrang bilis. Hindi ba lang nakapwesto ng Air Force?
Alam naman natin, weapon of choice ni Pao Soriano yung kanyang quick hit. Over reception, net violation against Rhea. Everything going wrong for the Philippine Air Force dito sa ating first set. 12 set points for Cagayan Valley. Pao Soriano serving for the set.
Good serve.
Tinawid sa kabila.
Caballejo. Finally.
Naasar si Soriano sa sarili niya.
But hindi niya nakuha. So still a chance here for Air Force. Of course, flawless volleyball.
Dapat.
No errors coming from this point onwards.
Yan ang topic from Davao. So action for the Davao Lady Aguilas ng ating first conference.
Good serve.
Saet. Benito. Tapos. Joy Benito ending the first set para dito sa kupunan ng Cagayan Valley. 25-13. Napuwing pa yata si Joy.
Alikabok pa dito.
Naalikabukan. Shaky shake and play. The former San Sebastian leading scorer taking care of business. Set number 1 for Cagayan Valley.
Hindi sila masyadong nakarecover dun sa dami ng errors dun sa kanilang mga errors na na-commit.
So, tignan po natin yung mga naging ilang aksyon ng ating first set. Karamihan dito, of course, Cagayan Valley highlights. Ito na yung set point na ginawa ni Joy Benito kanina. But before that, magandang pamamayag pag ang ginawa doon ni Rosemary Vargas at saka nitong si surprise starter. Actually, ito si Janine Marciano.
Yes, that's right. And yung binabanggit ko pa lang sa start natin coverage. So, lahat ng mga hinanap mo, yun mismo ang ginamit ni Coach Len.
At yun is mga rason kung bakit nakuha nila easily yung first set. Pero alam natin itong kupunan ng Philippine Air Force, malakas ang bawi factor ng dalawang yan. At may problema yan si Ivy Sets. Makulit ba headset mo ngayon?
Makulit eh. Kasi kulit ang panahon.
Sabi yung headset mo sa'yo, nagtatrabaho ka ng weekday. Sa weekend lang kita nakikita. Yonko, naabangan that time ni Vargas. Kabila, Cases. Yes. So tingnan mo, yung aggression is still the same. At yan ang sinasabi siguro nila, natamaan yata si Yonko sa mukha. Nakaka-celebrate. But they have to bring this kind of energy always.
Yeah. You know, I mean, for any game, pagka walang energy at intensity inside the court, yun yung usually nahihirapan yung team.
Right. Di makulangan. Marciano, hinulog. Ato si Balmaceda seeing her first action as libero. Great block by Vargas. Pantino sending it to Cases. Nandun si Marciano. Attacking again. Cases tries to drop it. Maizo. Vargas, lakas.
Oh, that one goes outside. She's asking for a touch. Pero walang call ng touch from the blockers.
Walang aamin.
Siyempre, hindi aamin yun.
And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. D-Mac continues to serve. Number 2 in the league pagdating sa service. Number 1, of course, Charo Soriano. Mukhang madadagdagan.
Service ace from Rhea Di Maculangan.
Andito actually si Charo nanonood eh. Tinitignan kung mauna kaya ako ni Di Maculangan sa service award na yan. Rhea has won it several times already actually.
Yeah. Another good serve.
Grabe. And Giselle C. Tinalo si Cases that time. Cases now lining up for the open hit. Marciano, ipamimigay ito. Kaya ba niya? Hindi.
Although it was a good save there from Cagayan.
Now 4-0 Air Force. Ito yung sinasabi natin na nakuha nga ng Cagayan yung first set, pero Air Force hindi basta-basta gugulong yan, di ba?
That's right.
And actually is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. D-Mac pa rin. Yun.
That this time it goes outside.
So makakadali lang sa serve ni Reddy Maculangan. Si Reddy Maculangan.
Siya lang din.
Ito, babawi daw si Giselle C. So Giselle C, ito yung one of the Nest familiar creations.
Yeah. And we all know that Coach Ness really produces very good setters.
Being a former national setter himself.
Oh, another error there from Air Force. This is something that they should control at a very early stage here in set number 2.
Yonko, nangihinayang pero maaga pa naman. SLC. Another good serve. Balmaceda. Yonko, nahilo ang depensa kasi tagal ni Yonko sa ere. Pababa na niya tinira.
Tinira, exactly.
Yan yung mga classic reactions ni Iya Yonko. Good or bad? 5-2 Air Force. Picasa is the official ball of the Shakey's Philly. Mike Ortiz. Pineda. C. Combination. Maizo. Good dig.
Save there.
That was Pantino. Eulalio. Maizo. Power shot. Yes.
Hits the corner.
So si Aiza, who is also averaging in double figures, tahimik so far today. Tignan natin kung magsisimula na yung kanyang mainit na laro.
And so far, it is Rosemary Vargas who's the top scorer for Cagayan with 5 points, followed by Soriano with 4 and Marciano with 3.
Easy setup there for Neneng Topic na natanggalan ng headband. Tanggal yun. Pinag-aagawan pa yung kanyang headband. Nasira. Paano masisira ang headband sa palo? Sa kaka-celebrate, natapakan. Pwede.
Natapakan yung ulo niya.
Hindi, natapakan yung headband.
Yung headband niya nung nahulog.
Tignan natin kung para si LeBron James. LeBron James, pag
wala yung nawawala yung laro
nawawala, parang secret weapon Hop!
Oh, Aiza Maizo.
Tumigil tayo doon para marinig natin yung reaction ng tao.
Yeah.
Sabi ng mga tao, ooh. Ito, panoorin niyo ulit yung ooh, ha. Ito. Reaction for the ooh.
Oh.
Parang dunk sa basketball talaga yun. Ooh.
Perfect elevation there for Aiza. Advantage again kasi matangkad siya.
D-Mac. Ay.
Good
Puro Neneng
quick
Topic
hit.
na, ha. So si Neneng Tapik, who is the one of only 2 Davao players from the first conference to play here in the Open Conference. The other one, of course, being Ronnie Concepcion of the Philippine National Police. Maizo.
Maizo once again.
Mintis na yun, mintis. Good start for the Philippine Air Force dito po sa ating second set.
Pa rin nilang tibayan lalo ang kanilang blocking. Lastly, sabi ni Coach, more energy at unity sa loob ang gusto niyang makita. Nawalan Ivy?
Pao Soriano was able to get a kill there. Unity was shown actually in the start dito ng ating second set by Air Force. Pero ito, minireklamo na naman daw sila. Nadig daw ni Cases yung bola.
Let's take a look.
Oo.
Yes. Yeah.
Nadig niya. Nadig niya yung bola. Again, the play happened so fast that the referee made a call na bumaba na daw. Tapik. Again. Neneng Tapik. Sunod-sunod na yung puntos. So 9-5. And Neneng Tapik now to serve. Minus the headband.
So, walang it's not true to her.
Alam mo,
kailangan yung headband.
nagbebenta kasi niya, nasa kabilang team. Yung lahat ng pwede mong gamitin kasakapan sa ulo. Lapit kayo kay Bang Pineda. Si Bang Pineda, tawag namin ni Noringo dyan, the franchise.
Kasi lahat ng hair accessories.
Lahat. Tingnan mo ngayon, nagmomodel yan. Nagmomodel-modela na naman siya ng kanyang multicolored pink, purple, rainbow color, na lahat ng para sa buhok. Follow her on Twitter. Good serve again. Para din sa koponan ng Air Force. Coach Des Pamilar has seen enough.
So dito kang tatalon, ay maliit na yung dadaanan dyan. So dito ang kabig. Ha? So pagtalon mo, dito pa gano'n, hindi yun pa, kasi mas namang na-out yan, kakapiraso na lang yan. Ha? Sige lang.
Ano lang yan?
Talagang patigil buwelo lang talaga timeout dito ni Coach Nes. And again, Neneng Tapik, maganda na yung kanyang mga spike kanina, pati ngayon yung kanyang service. Ganda rin. So, again, yung katanungan natin, who will help Micah Ortiz sa middle hitter position? Yan ang kasagutan yung magsiserve po. Neneng Tapik, so far so good. Para sa kanya, 4 points already here in the second set alone. C.
Pao Soriano. Good down the line.
Si Giselle C, kahit na anong reception,
nagagawa ng paraan niya.
Oh.
Exactly. And nakahatid niya ng maayos.
So 11-6. Pao Soriano to serve. Balmaceda, Di Makulangan, Ortiz. At si Pao Soriano kagad ang pinuntiri. The best time to attack the backline pag wala yung libero.
Right. At yung kagagaling lang sa service.
Yun,
yung tao sa likod.
Si libero, pwede lang pumalit yan sa sa backliner. Usually, it's the quicker pag tapos na yung serve.
Yeah.
So, sa panahon ng tag-ulan, iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Katolang gamitin, proudly Philippine-made. Mamaya na yung maraming sound effects. Kailangan may buwelo yun. Gwyneth Eulalio scores. So, ito, lumalaban na ng bahagya. Itong kupunan ng Rising Suns, down by 5. Janine Marciano.
Good serve.
D-Mac going to Cases. Off the net. Great dig by Pineda. Maizo. D-Mac. Running attack ni Ortiz. Binuhayan ni Eulalio.
Vargas.
Off the net. Played there by Yonko. Kabila. Cases. Ando si Marciano. C. Galing likod. Ay sa Maizo. D-Mac. Ay. Munti ka na hindi mahabot ni Ortiz.
Vargas off the hands of the blocker. Ortiz biglang binalik.
Grabe si Pineda, humabol ng bola. Here is Vargas. C.
Vargas once again. Off
Pababa na
speed.
papaluntag ni Vargas.
Cases off speed. Maizo was there.
Papa na rally. Vargas. D-Mac. Cases. Buhay pa rin. Hulog ni Giselle.
Giselle C. Galing panira ng timing.
The fans of Cagayan Valley, nagtitilian na. Kahit lalaki o babae, nagtitilian dito.
Well, it was a very, very long rally. You know, and you can see na pagod na yung mga spikers sa harap. Eh.
Right.
Giselle C. recognized that and took matters into her own hands.
Baba sa 4. Lima. Cases. Pineda again. Here's Dima. Running attack. Ortiz. Grabe lahat na yaangat ng Cagayan Valley. Eulalio.
Good play set up by Giselle C.
Kailangan na natin, mukhang malapit-lapit na tumawag ng timeout dito si Coach Aying Esteban.
And you would notice, no, with that last play, talagang inabot lang ni Giselle kay
Right.
Winnet. You know, it's basically Giselle C na hinahanap niya talaga yung spikers.
Baba sa 3.
Oh, that
Lakas.
goes outside.
13-9 now after that service error from Janine Marciano. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Dimac. Back to serve. Pangalan niya, Rhea Dimac sa Twitter.
Ang haba kasi ng last name niya.
Kalimutan ko yung sa kuya niya eh. Pinapalo din ako ng kuya niya eh. Here is Vargas.
Oh, strong hit there from Rosemary Vargas.
Napakataas ng percentage na nilalaro dito ni Rosemary Vargas. Cagayan Valley. Kaya no, hirap na hirap. Nawala yung bola bigla. Hindi na nasundan ng ating camera. Probably from this angle. Hindi na nasundan.
Hindi na slow mo na yun, ha? Kailangan natin slowest motion.
13-10. Back to another 3-point lead. Or nababa na naman to another 3-point lead. Di makulangan. Going to Yongko. And
Another violation call. This time, crossing violation called against Yongko.
Hindi daw nakapreno si Iya in time. That is now a 2-point lead. Now Giselle C. Pantino. Dimac! It's either matatawagan na siya ng lifting violation doon or yun nga, nangyaring error. Ito ang timeout na ng Philippine Air Force.
Then it is topped with only the finest ingredients and fresh herbs. The new Shaky Pizza 1954. Now that's what I call a throwback.
Getting music doesn't have to be this hard. Now it's easy with Spinner from Smart. The country's first music streaming app that upgrades your music experience. Download now to enjoy unlimited streaming for only $2.50 a day with no added data charges. Listen to millions of songs wherever you go. Change the way you enjoy music.
At nandito rin kami, Noel Zarate, kasama po si Ivy Remulla at si Judy Saril. Bringing you the action from the Shakey's B-League Open Conference right here on GMA News TV. Giselle C na naman. Cases. Dimac. Cases. Uy! Nadapa si... Natisod yata ito si Pineda.
And that last hit makes it to the line.
Ako sanay na ako makita libero ito si Bang. Yung mga iba nagsasanay pa rin hanggang ngayon.
Well, you're getting used to it, you know.
Mamimiss mo kasi lakas ng palo nito eh. Yung open spiker pa siya ng Adamson. Good serve by Ortiz. Topic. Stopped again by Pineda. Vargas. Stopped by Topic. Maizo. Pantino. Di makulangan. Delayed set for Cases. Here's Aiza Maizo. Denied there by Cases. Masyado malapit. Vargas. Kanya-kanyang adlib na ito. Vargas.
Another violation called against Air Force.
Yongko na naman yun.
Net violation error.
So si Yongko, sunod-sunod na yung mga net violation. Again, Yongko is very tall. She's about 5'11". Air Force lead down to 1. Gwyneth Eulalio. Balmaceda, di makulangan, running attack. Coming from Cases. Aiza Maizo. Covered there by Cases. Yongko. Marciano. Giselle C. Vargas. One more time around. Vargas.
Good block
finally by
there
Yonko.
from Yonko. Although the first time, I think parang hindi yata nag-over yung
parang
first
4 touches na, pero call was not done. So sabi ni Yonko, edi manigurado na tayo.
Good block there from Yonko.
Again, Yonko, actually, if I'm not mistaken, just graduated from La Salle Dasmariñas. Cases, Marciano, Maizo, uy! Wala suporta para kay Pantino. And that one drops in. Mababa na naman sa isang kalamangan ng Air Force. Now it is Rosemary Vargas back to serve. Vargas, hindi mga forever to serve eh. No?
You take your time, ba't ka magmamadali, diba?
Net violation or crossing, ano na una?
Well, either way,
Crossing ano na?
it is a violation again from
Yonko na
Yonko.
naman, yes. Tied at 15, nakahabol na po Cagayan Valley. And Vargas again. Yonko, kabila, Pantino. Lifts it up for Marciano. Good reflexes there by Balmaceda. C.
Go to Maizo, off the block.
And Balmaceda is there again. Yonko, Pineda. C. Maizo. Buhay pa rin. Balmaceda ay pinamigay. Pineda. C. Gitna. Marciano, buhay pa rin. Pantino. Pineda. C. Maizo.
Aiza Maizo finishing another long rally.
Kanina po, 5 kalamangan ng Philippine Air Force. Ngayon, it's a 1-point lead na para sa Cagayan Valley.
And the new face coming in for Air Force, you have Jen Manzano replacing Pantino.
Good block by Marciano. They go to Manzano, iuhulog. Maizo, second ball. Pinag-uusapan natin kung sino reyna na second ball strike. You choose, Aiza Maizo or Jovelyn Gonzaga?
Mahirap mamili. Mahirap mamili.
Aiza Maizo. Siguro, dapat may stat tayo. Mga trivial stats talaga. Who has the most kills on the second ball? Man-amang si Maizo, number 1 dyan all time. Balmaceda, Lima Kulangan, Manzano, Marciano, Soriano. Buhay pa rin.
Alive. It's a free ball.
Chelsea,
Drop
Maizo,
shot.
Balmaceda is there. Lima Kulangan, Yonko. Pao Soriano, masyado malapit. Ay. Walang magagawa si Marciano.
Yeah,
dun,
that was too near the net and ang laki ni Yonko sa harap niya.
So Iya Yonko will be replaced. Semana will do the serving duties and itong si Dimac will sit. Caballero will return. Full front line once again para sa Philippine Air Force sa panahon ng tagulan. Iwasan ng dengue, Lion Tiger Katol ang gamitin. Proudly Philippine made. Soriano, yan ang magandang ginagawa ni Pau. Pinapadaan sa kamay ng blockers. Same substitution pattern now for Cagayan Valley as Maizo will sit. Chisait will come in. Joy Benito once again replacing. Ito si Giselle C.
So both squads with a full front line.
Yep. Pero dalawa po ang abante rito ng Cagayan Valley. Down by as much as 5 points earlier. Saet.
Good serve.
Semana. Caballero. Pineda again. Saet. Too near. Di na itawid yan ni Marciano. Nanibago agad sila. Nanibago na yung setter eh.
So just a 1-point lead now for Cagayan, 18-17. It's tapping at the service line.
Yan ang topic. If I'm not mistaken, from Jose Maria College in Davao.
Davao. Good serve.
Here's Joy Benito. Semana. Caballero. Across. Manzano. Saet, iniwan para kay Pau. Ganda.
Another violation, net violation error as well there for Ortiz.
And that was a great setup by Saet para dito kay Pau Soriano. 2-point lead again for the Rising Suns. Soriano. Semana sending it over to Caballejo. Denied that time. One more time around. This time Micah Ortiz. Dumating yung suporta na tamaan na naman sa mata. Si Joy Benito.
Combination play off the block. Buhay pa rin ang bola.
Marciano keeping it alive. Free ball given up by Eulalio. Semana. At mahina ang set para dito kay Ortiz. Here's Caballero. Another one of these long rallies. Manzano. Vargas. Oy!
Oh, that's overreaching violation called up against Air Force.
Si Micah ang natawagan that time. Now the biggest lead of Cagayan in this set. 3 points.
Again, we must not discount the fact that errors have contributed to the lead of Cagayan.
Oo, tsaka layo ng hinabol ng Cagayan. To take this, which could be a comfortable lead at this point. Tignan natin dito, Semana Ortiz. Good combination between Semana and Micah Ortiz. Now Jen Manzano also from Lasal Dasmariñas. Playing with a knee injury, kaya hindi masyado nagagamit. Pineda, Saet, Benito, free ball. Semana, yun, Caballejo.
Excellent combination play here for Air Force.
At sabi ni Judy, let's go. Isa na lang yan.
Jen Manzano still serving for Air Force.
Trying to tie it up. Good serve again from Manzano. Uy!
Oh, that goes
Lumiko
outside.
bigla.
Good call from Marciano.
Mukhang in nung binitiwan, biglang lumiko. 21-19. Janine Marciano.
Good serve.
Caballejo. At si Semana, kailangan pamigay. Saet.
Vargas off the block.
Hindi
Hindi
na
nagawa
maabutan.
ng paraan.
22-19. So, nung nakuha na ng Cagayan Valley Kalamangan, wala nang atrasan. Timeout, Air Force.
Laki ng bola niya, gano'n ang kalabasa niya, sabot niya. Ngayon, sinilalambutan mo yung block mo, talaga siya nalili. Yung block mo, talaga tumalong ka naman, pasok mo na kamay mo. Kasi at ginagawa niya, puro daw galing dito. Dapat tapos nabot mo lang. Huwag mo sabihin mas malaki sa iyo, para yung takay na kahit yung mukha mo. Okay? Kaya kailangan natin makablock. Sila yung lumalit, tatlo na agad yan. Hindi layuan nila. Kasi yung nasa harapan.
So, tignan natin yung sinasabi nilang block na hindi umandar dito kay Caballejo. So, malambot nga.
Yung sinasabi ni Coach Ying, kailangan ipasok mo yung kamay mo, payungan mo.
Right.
And he was talking about the height and, you know, a challenge also to Judy Caballejo.
Mukhang mas matangkad naman yata si Marciano sa akin.
Marciano now at the service line. Service good.
There's Semana now, sending it over to Ortiz. Marciano, played off the net by Saet.
Still alive.
Semana, combination, Caballejo.
Off the hands of the blocker.
22-20. Pwede pa yan.
Kayang-kaya pa ng Air Force yan.
Substitution now. So it will be Di Maculangan and Yonko returning. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Mamaya na daw si Yonko, late daw nag-report. So we will have two setters, pero maganda rito.
Yeah, because
Semana goes to utility.
yeah, that actually doesn't matter here for Air Force eh.
Di Maculangan. Pineda. Saet. Going to Vargas. Great block by Ortiz. One more time around for Vargas. Oy! Hindi na naiangat ni Manzano. Kaya pwede na matuloy yung mga substitutions kanina. So, Saet. Teka muna, sino ba unahin? Yan.
Air Force daw muna.
Air Force muna. Semana out. Yonko returns. Sayed replaced by Maizo. And Giselle C will replace Joy Benito. Giselle C, yeah.
Now for the serve here for Cagayan, who's up by 3 points, 23-20.
Needing only 2 more points to take a 2-0 lead contra sa Air Force. Serve ni C. D-Mac, quick set, and pumwesto na nga si Sidon. Di pa rin niya kinayanan yung powers ni Micah Ortiz.
Good quick hit from Micah Ortiz. Let's take a look at that attack once again. Perfect setup from Rhea Di Maculangan.
Si Giselle lang talagang hindi kinayanan yung grabe na.
Oo,
Buhat tira na yun eh. Ortiz serving.
Good serve.
Maizo! Grabe ang ganda ng laro ni Giselle C ngayon, ano?
Perfect timing for Aiza Maizo. Actually, if you really look at it, hinahatid lang ni Giselle C lahat eh. Pasok lang ng pasok yung mga attackers and all Giselle C will do is iaabot lang sa kanila yung bola.
3 set points after being down by as much as 5. Dito sa ating second set para sa Cagayan Valley. Topic. Hindi na maiaangat yan.
And we talked about, the setting duties of Giselle C, who's having 45% success rate so far here in the second set.
24-22. Gusto manigurado ng Cagayan Valley na makuha nila yung huling puntos. Timeout, Rising Suns.
Wow. Nick. Rose. Ha? Roger, tatlo yan, spiker mo. So, sabi ka agad, hatid natin dito sa gitna. Maraming pwedeng laruan sa isa, pero tingnan mo muna sa receive, ha? Kay si Pau, pag-cut ni Pau na gano'n, so pwede sila magdalawa, pwede mag-iwan sa Rose. Ito, discarte may error yan. Pero, pagkalawin mo to, ha? Makakaikot naman sa isa, ha?
Once again, let's take a look at that last play coming from Neneng Topic. At napababa yung kalamangan dito sa 2 puntos, but still, 2 set points para sa Cagayan Valley. And now it was Joy Cases trying to keep Philippine Air Force in this second set. Giselle C. Maizo, dug up there by Cases. Across, Manzano. Topic. D-Mac. Yonko.
Off the block.
Pineda. C. Soriano.
Oh, another violation up against
Yonko again.
Air Force.
Another violation against Iya Yonko. This time, naibigay na yung set sa Cagayan Valley. 2-0 lead now on another error. 25.
Departed made a whole lot of difference.
Sa dulo pa nakuha ng Cagayan Valley, karamihan ng kanilang mga attack points nung naghahabol na sila.
Yes.
At sa dulo, ayun na, uminit na si Aiza Maizo at nakuha na naman nila yung ating second set. So, this must be very deflating para sa Air Force na makuha nila yung magang kalamangan na makikita natin sa ating mga replay. Ayan, no? Hinuhulog-hulog na lang, hindi na nga power shot sa binibigyan dito ni Aiza eh.
And I think one more thing we have to point out is the fact that, the number of errors that Air Force commits, nangyayari pa siya sa crucial moment.
Yun na nga eh. Yung lead nila kanina na nawala, kailangan lang kalimutan ngayon. Third set na tayo ngayon. Exactly. If they want to extend this, well, titignan natin ngayon kung kakayanin pa nila. As we rejoin the action for set number 3.
A lot of, 2 sets ang kailangan kalimutan nitong Air Force. They really have to start anew. They still have a chance here, with the, if they can still stretch this out to a 5-set match.
Ayan, maganda simula yan. Joy Cases from the open. So, the first score belongs to the Air Spikers. At ready mo kulangan kagad na magsaserve. Naalala ko there was one time where Rhea Di Maculangan had 6 consecutive aces or 5 consecutive aces. Kaya pa rin niyang gawin niya. Ayan na, ace number 1. Kaya.
Tingnan natin,
5. Sino ba? Pumwesto na si Pineda eh. Tingnan natin kung may isa na naman ni Rhea yung iniiwasan niya si Pineda sa serve eh.
Which is the right strategy to do. Ba't mo nga naman ihahatid sa libero?
Kay Marciano pinapunta. Apple naman si Giselle C. Wala nang ace-ace. Solid strike there coming from Rosemary Vargas.
Too strong for Judy Caballejo.
Hindi pa 100% si Vargas sa lagay na yan.
Yeah.
In fact, I'm trying to see kung sino yung 100% dito sa kanila. Giselle C lang yata.
Siya lang ang walang ano, no?
Yung walang iniinda. Yonko. Here's C. Vargas again.
Oh, Rosemary Vargas unstoppable there at the outside.
2-all. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Eulalio serving now.
Good serve.
D-Mac. Up for Yonko on the angle. Uy! Nakialam si Pao Soriano. Nandun na sa likuran si Giselle C.
Air Force up by 1. Your score is 2-3. Micah Ortiz now at the service line.
Hinarap yata ni Pao Soriano sa likuran kanina si May Makatulog.
Hindi na si May ang kasama niyo.
Iba na kulay na uniforme nyo.
C. One hand set.
Oh, pinalo na ni Aiza Maizo. Back set. Nice play.
Yonko.
Walang nakahabol doon kay Yonko. That's an excellent setup job there. Coming from Timakulangan, ang ganda talaga ng pagkatago nito. Tingnan mo.
Right. But we will need more from more of that from Yonko.
Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's P-League. Here is Ortiz. Si Soriano. Pamatay sunog si Pau. So baba sa isang kalamangan dito ng Air Force. And now serving naman itong si Rosemary Vargas. Tagado talaga, no? Balmaceda did well to get to that one. Here's Cases. Pineda lifts it up. Giselle C. Aiza Maizo. Ay. Sabi ni Rhea, nakita ko na yan dati. Hindi ko lang talaga nakukuha.
We're tied at 4 now. Vargas serving for Cagayan.
Sound effects na. Sa panahon ng tagpulan. Sound effects. Iwasan ng dengue. Wala na. Lion Tiger Katola gamitin sa only Philippine made.
Hindi ako nakapag-prepare. Ano ba yan?
Ano ba yun lang gagawin mo? Gagawa ka lang.
Hindi ako nakapag-prepare.
Sample.
Dadalatan ng totoong sound effects.
Nakapasok si Barry Pasto, meron siyang sound effects din na sariling gagawin. May palakpak at saka canned laughter. 5-4 Air Force. C. Maizo. Yan ang ginagawa rin ni Aizo. Inaaral lang niya. Inaaral niya, hindi lang yung blockers, pati yung pwesto na nasa likuran. That makes her very dangerous.
Kumbaga, hindi lang palo ng palo eh.
Oo.
Yeah.
Aizo on the serve. Yep. Balmaceda. Iya Yonko. Pineda, iniangat para dito kay Aiza Maizo. Balmaceda gets that one. Judy.
Caballejo off the block.
Hindi na naabutan ni Vargas. So ito, slugfest na naman. Parang first set natin. At least yung simula ng first set. And you can see there, talagang lahat binigay.
Iya Yonko now serving for Air Force. Service good.
Vargas, habol. Marciano, hulog. Yonko, habol. Caballejo. Here's C. They go to Marciano. At si Marciano talaga doing well in the absence of Tabaquero. And this match, ito po si Angge, hindi ko napansin
she's there.
Oh. So Tabaquero has not played in this game. Kaya marami rin iniinda si Angge.
Yeah, marami rin siyang injuries that has been bothering her for quite some time
For
already.
years na yata. Di Makulangan, denied by Eulalio. Eulalio has to set it up. Nako, walang play. D-Mac, Judy!
Oh, that goes outside. Medyo nang higil ng konti si Judy doon.
Yung percentages ni Judy, kailangan niya ma-check dito eh. Correct approach. Ganda naman ang set, pero pag nanggigil siya, labas ka agad. Pao Soriano. Balmaceda. Di makulangan. Topic. Yes. Minsan ganun lang kailangan mo. No? Kunting tulak-tulak na lang eh.
You really have to play smart, you know. Hindi rin naman kasi nakukuha lagi sa lakas ng palo.
And Topic has scored a lot here today because of the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Wala ang headband. Ha?
With or without the headband,
With
gumagana.
or without you ang sinasabi niya sa headband niya. Si Marciano. Hala! Micah Ortiz pa dinaanan ni Janine Marciano.
Panigurado daw na hindi basta magpapatalo ang kalabang koponan. Niremind ulit ni Coach Ness ang kanyang mga players na mag-focus sa pagkakaroon ng magandang depensa at blocking, lalo na daw pagpalitan na ng bola ang nangyayari sa loob ng court. Lastly, din ni Coach, last set na to kung gugustuhin natin, huwag naman na sana nating hayaang mag-init palalo ang Air Force at manakaw pa ang chance na nating manalo. Noel and Ivy?
That should be very traumatic also for them if they win 2 sets and then drop the next 3. And violation, Vargas. Ang matatawagan, net violation. 9-8. Pero magandang girian nila dito sa third set, ha?
At least this is a closer fight. But again, you know, for Air Force, we've seen them had this yung gantong dikit na laban but only to fall short at the end, eh.
C. Vargas. Balmaceda. Cases. Wow.
Good off the block from Joy Cases.
At saka nagkakaroon na diin yung mga palo nitong Air Force ngayon. They know that they can beat Cagayan Valley, but they have to prove it. Tandaan din po natin, Cagayan Valley won last year, 4th place lang ang Air Force. And hindi nila natalo Cagayan Valley at all last year. Actually, nobody beat Cagayan Valley last year.
Michael Ortiz with a running hit.
Si, quick set, Eulalio, nakabang naman doon si Ortiz. Si, uhulog. Cases.
Oh, that is too close.
And again, the defense is there for Welef Eulalio and Balmaceda. Nagmistulang Superwoman that time, pero hindi niya naabutan.
But that was quite difficult. Siya lapit na rin sa net, eh.
Right. Then 9, Giselle C. Serving now for Cagayan Valley. Protecting a 1-point lead.
Good serve.
D-Mac. And great block there coming from Maizo. Cases. Vargas. C. Eulalio. Puro taga-FU. Quick set.
Ortiz drop shot. Maizo.
Oh,
good
great
block
block
from Cases.
Good dig also from Caballero. C with the dig. Ganda na naman ang rally. D-Mac. Caballero. Cases. Yes!
Good target from Joy Cases. You know, when she took off, kitang-kita na niya kung saan niya dadalhin, eh.
At saka si Pineda nag-commit sa gitna ng court. Hindi na nakahabol ulit si Pineda yung nag-down the line. Yan, kita mo, hop. Committed na si Pineda doon. Nakala cross court.
Good decision there from Joy Cases.
Ayan, yung kabilang side naman ay pinapakita ni Bang Pineda. Yung mga for sale na clips.
Different design, sizes, and color.
C. Vargas. Yonko gets to it. Di makulangan. Cases
once
again.
again. Joy Cases doing it all for Air Force here in set number 3.
Nabuhayan si Joy Cases. One more time, may kita natin gitnang-gitna ng dalawang blockers. Great set also galing po kay Di Makulangan, who is now serving. Sa panahon ng tagulan, iwasan ng dengue. Flying Tiger Katol ang gamitin, proudly Philippine made.
Good serve.
Bad reception. Pineda gets it across. D-Mac.
Oh, that
Good
is,
ball.
yeah, it is overreaching violation called up against Rhea Di Makulangan.
11 all. So, Eulalio ngayon. So, si Eulalio yata wala. Sa likod ng problema naman niya, yung back problem naman. Marciano, kaliwang tuhod. Yonko now. Caballero. C. Vargas. Balmaceda inabutan.
Free ball given by Air Force.
C.
Maizo!
Maizo! Automatic. Ilang taon na nagbabalibol si Aiza Maiso, nakakalimutan pa rin natin minsan kaliwete.
Kaliwete siya, right.
Si Balmaceda, inisip ko, sayang naman yung kinahid ko kanina. Hindi ko naabutan yung malaking palo.
Cagayan up by 1, 12-11. It's Winnet Hilario still serving for Cagayan.
Here's D-Mac. Combination play, Castes. Off the block. Of Vargas.
And so far, it has been Joy Castes who's bringing in the points here for the Air Spikers.
Pero ganda pa rin ang kanilang kitkitan dito sa ating third set. Mike Ortiz now.
Siyempre, para sa Air Force, they should win this set.
Oo. Kung gusto pa nila
mag-set. Yeah, that's right. It's a very important set here for Air Force. And that is a free point given by Rosemary Vargas.
So percentages ni Vargas, unti-unti bumababa naman. After a very hot start. Air Force up by 1. Mike Ortiz. Tayot Marino ito si Mike Ortiz today.
Oh, good serve.
Overcooked and topic will be called for the overreach.
Overreaching violation.
And Coach Aying Esteban standing up immediately. Ano bang rule dyan? Your hand should not break the plane of the net.
But I think at that point, the ball, I think, was released already. Wala na sa kamay ni Giselle C. So I think that would have counted as a block already, not an overreaching violation.
And again, Coach Esteban contesting all of the bump calls heading his way. Tied at 13. Topic misses. Cagayan Valley up by 1. Now Vargas to serve. Pawis na rin si Rosemary Vargas. Has been playing almost without relief.
Good reception. Joy Castes.
Ando naman si Soriano.
It's a free ball given by Cagayan.
One more time around. D-Mac going to Castes on the push. Giselle C. Maizo. Soriano out of position.
So that
and
is
out of block.
outside.
Oh.
We're tied again at 14 all.
Pero ngayon may mga errors na pumapasok sa magkabilang koponan. Joy Castes. Nasa likuran. Which means Caballero moves to the front. Castes on the serve.
Oh, good serve from Joy Castes.
To Aiza Maizo who misses.
Because si Balmaceda really thankful na buti na lang nag-outside.
Kasi walang katao-tao dun sa gitna.
Yeah. Good eyes there from Aiza Maizo.
Again, one of the best at doing that. Taas na lumundag, tangkat pa niya.
Kitang-kita niya talaga eh.
Pero that time, did not work. Joy Castes, Air Force up by 1.
Another good serve.
See? Maizo.
Oh, another violation.
Another
Net violation error from Air Force. Yan yung mga dapat iwasan nitong Air Spikers eh. Because they're having a good rally only to give away the 3 points because of those errors.
Well, so far, good news is hindi pa si Yonko natatawagan. Yonko nakakarami eh. So Chi Saet back in, Joy Benito back in. Chi Saet on the serve. Topic blocked there by Soriano. Back set, Yonko blocked again, this time by Marciano.
Good coverage from Air Force.
Caballero, Saet, Pao Soriano, single block from Topic. Soriano with the left hand. D-Mac, alit na ng lugar, pinadaan pa rin doon. And a great block again. Cagayan Valley, 15, Cagayan Valley, girian pa rin dito sa ating third set. Chi Saet on the serve. Balmaceda overcooks it. And Soriano cannot convert. Caballero. At nahulog sa loob. Great block by Benito.
Little hesitation on the part of Judy Caballero. And she was not able to keep that alive.
Minsan lang tayo makakita ng block point kay Benito. At nakikita natin yung kanyang interesting hairstyle. As with Chi Saet. Ay, hindi gumagalaw yung book ng Chi Saet. Tibay ng hairspray. Topic. Saet. Third ball coming up.
It's a free ball. Let's see what Air Force does with it. Tap
Quick
it
na
once
naman.
again.
Saet. Benito. D-Mac going to Caballejo. Nice dig there coming from Tapik. Free ball from Yonko. Saet. Marciano. Second ball drop there from Tapik. Soriano.
Excellent angle chosen by Soriano.
Eto, nang-iiwan na naman ang Cagayan Valley. Up to 3 ang kanilang alamangan.
And I think what's good about Cagayan is that, umaarangkada sila when it's needed the most.
Right.
Towards the end of each set, they make sure na talagang umaabante sila sa puntos.
So, konting sermon para kay Pao Soriano. Tumatay yung captain ngayon sa loob. Chisaet. Cases, another over reception. Free ball given up. Saet. Soriano. Nice dig by Balmaceda. Too near the net. Oh, great block there coming from Iya Yonko. Wala ka na magagawa. Kailangan mo na sumupalpal. Substitutions coming in. Let's take a look at this one more time. Alam na ni Marciano, doomed din siya doon.
Yeah. Sometimes, you can feel it eh. Pag approach mo pa lang, dama mo na kagad kung parang mabablock ko, hindi.
Manzano and Semana return, replacing Yonko and Di Makulangan. So full front line once again for Air Force. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Semana. Saet. Good approach there, but great dig by Balmaceda. Jen Manzano, blocked there by Soriano. Caballejo, still alive.
Oh,
Semana, too near.
Too near the net, that's right.
Oh, Caballejo!
Caballejo!
Nang gulat.
Actually, that's unexpected coming from Judy Caballejo.
Sinigawan na niya si Manzano. Lapit, lapit. Boom. Bentang-bente.
Oh, but that was the right thing in mind because even Cagayan was not sure or was waiting for the set to be given to an attacker.
Semana. Saet. Soriano. Turned back by Tapik. Manzano. Pineda. Saet ngayon. Pupunta kay Marciano. At hindi tumawid yung bola.
That did not go over the net.
Just like that, 3 straight points now for the Air Spikers. Tabla na naman tayo, 18-all. At hindi na magtatagal yung ginawa substitution kanina. Kahit na frontliner pa si Giselle C. Kailangan na nila yung power ni Aiza Maizo. Extra option din yan galing sa likuran.
Yeah, from the back line.
So now Semana trying to give Air Force the lead once again. Semana, dating finals MVP sa UAAP nung nanalo po FEU noong 2008. C tries to drop it, Balmaceda is there. Back set ngayon, Caballejo. Uy!
Oh, no coverage for Air Force.
Sadong lubog si Balmaceda that time. So 1-point lead once again para sa Cagayan Valley. Pao Soriano, maganda third set ni Pao, ha? Balmaceda, Semana, Caballejo, dug up there by Soriano. Maizo, habol, di na maabutan.
Good hit from Aiza Maizo. Mapalikod, mapaharap.
Yeah.
He really converts the point.
Kaya hindi tayo ni Coach Tess na mabulit yung rotation sa harapan eh. Again, you have somebody that tall, she's 6 feet tall.
Yeah. And it's a pure advantage on her part. And you can see na hindi naman niya kailangan tumalo ng mataas.
Right. Topic C. Maizo. Marciano. Again, pinadaan kay Balmaceda. And another 3-point lead for Cagayan Valley. Papalit na ng libero. Babalik ulit si Jill Castillo. So here is Semana. Oy! Topic thought it was going the other way and hindi naitawid ni Eulalio. So error kontra sa Cagayan Valley. That was clear.
Yeah, it was a clear error on the part of Cagayan Valley.
So now the serve belonging to Neneng Tapik. C. Marciano, yes! So Marciano restores a 3-point lead. (22-19). Marciano, 9 points total sa laban na ito.
Good serve.
Caballejo, Semana, Ortiz.
Ortiz. See to set up Vargas
Off
off
the
the
block.
block. Yun din minsan pag talagang ang lakas ng palo mo.
Apat na po ang abante ng Cagayan Valley, needing 2 points to get a straight sets win over Air Force. Timeout, Aying Esteban.
We text all day. I call her on Tuesday and Wednesday too. Thursday, we chat. So Friday, I'm in love. With Smart Prepaid All-In, 99 pesos lang, you're all set for 7 days. So every day you can text, call, surf, and Facebook. Thanks to the largest network. Send All-In 99 to 2827. Got the answer?
Yes. With you.
I'm so lucky.
Now you can get ultra-fast internet speeds with Smart Pro's most affordable LTE plans. For as low as $5.99 a month, no lock-in period. What are you waiting for? Get tomorrow's internet now. Smart Pro.
What's a fun place to get great deals?
We always get the meal deals.
Quick set, Ortiz. Nice block by Eulalio. Semana, Caballejo, C. Maizo goes to Vargas again. Bustillo digs it up.
Manzano,
Yes.
cross-court hit.
Hindi pa daw tapos, sabi ni Jen Manzano. Ito na yung palitan ulit. So Semana will now be utilized as a spiker as Di Makulangan checks in for Manzano. Caballejo serving. C. Vargas, tulak.
A good save from Semana.
Cases, Pineda, C. Eulalio. And now Wenet Eulalio gives them 4 match points. Yonko will come in to replace Semana. And Giselle C. serving for the match. Oh, sexy Giselle C.
Naninigurado siya eh, taking her time.
Parang Dayanti ka.
Oh, Micah Ortiz.
Good dig by C. D-Mac denied by Eulalio and it's over. Straight sets win by Cagayan Valley kontra sa Philippine Air Force. And again, just coming short. Nakakatuwa yung handshake dito eh. Coach Aying and Coach Nes go back a long way. Konting joke time.
Yeah.
Shaky, shake and play. Nakikita natin dito, depensa ang ginamit sa dulo ni Wenet Eulalio para maibigay sa Cagayan Valley ang kanilang panalo kontra sa Philippine Air Force.